Hey, this is Mike. Just want to show you this 2010 Jeep Grand Cherokee in white that we just got on the lot here. Has alloy wheels and four-wheel disc brakes. It also has a sunroof and a luggage rack. Let's take a look at the front here. It's got some fog lights. And one good thing about this vehicle, here's the key right here. It has a remote start, so I can go ahead and start it up. So let's go over here. It does have a towing package on the back and a backup camera and backup sensors. You can also right here open up this back glass in case you need to access the back, put some stuff in there like groceries or whatever. Let me go and unlock it. I'm going to open up the whole back here. That way you can see the back. You got your net pocket storage there. You got a power supply on that side, and you got a sunshade, retractable sunshade. Now in here is a little bit more storage. Put some stuff, and that way it's out of sight and out of the way. So that's pretty cool. See the backup camera lens right there, and these little things right here are the sensors in the back. Tires look decent. It's got a set of Michelin's on it. That's good. It does have the remainder of the powertrain warranty left on it. Here's the inside of the back door. Got a little pocket there. There's a speaker. It's got leather seats. It's got like a light gray and a black color scheme going on here. And these seats do go forward like that. And that way you can, put them. It goes all the way down when this seat's up a little bit. And that way you can, in case you need some more cargo space, you can have it. Now right here, we've got a cup holder that comes out, in and out, and we also have a like a 110 power supply there. And there's pretty much airbags all the way around. It's got heated side mirrors. Now here's the inside of the driver door. This does have the Boston Premium sound system. And you got some pockets there at the bottom. You got some window controls, door lock controls, and side mirror controls. It's like a little joystick that you can adjust the side mirrors with. Got some power adjustments for the seat. And the seats are heated, by the way, here in the front. You've got this little button right here to adjust the pedals in and out. I don't know if you can see them going in and out, but that way you can adjust them to your preference. I'm going to hop in. Now, since I used a remote start, I still have to put the key in and go ahead and turn it on. So, alrighty. Here's the steering wheel, and it's pretty basic. Turn the volume down on the radio. Now I can turn the volume down on the back of the steering wheel here. There's a switch. And then I can change stations on this side. Now this right here, when I push this north button here, it gives me the digital compass and the digital temperature. So there's some buttons here. This is like a menu system. And I can just keep pushing that button, and I can go change the different settings inside each one. So So that way, like I said, if I want to see how many miles until it's empty, that kind of thing. You got this right button, down button, and then like a menu button. And then you always push this button if you want to go back to your digital temperature and compass. There's the gauges. Alright, here's your radio. I'm going to go ahead and put it, use the shifter here, put it in reverse. And when I do, the backup camera is going to pop up. Now, there's nothing behind me really, but you can see, here's the back, this right here is the back of the vehicle. And then you can see the parking lot behind me. And you can see it's like a wide angle view, so I get a good view of what's behind me. So, you know, you can see pretty good out of the back and on the side mirrors, but the backup camera basically gives you just another level of safety for backing up. And when you put it back in park, that screen goes away. Now this does have a hard drive, and I like this like I don't know if you can see it in the camera. It looks like a diamond plate type metal look to it around the radio, all around there. But anyway, this has a hard drive, and you can load the hard drive with songs and pictures or whatever you want really. And here's a USB port to put files into the hard drive. You can also load it with a CD or a DVD right there. And you can also pair your phone and answer it through the Uconnect system here. It does have satellite radio and auxiliary input, so you can hook up your phone or a MP3 playing device or whatever. So it does have a lot of options here on the radio. So that's pretty neat. I like the screen, pretty good size. You can see it easy. So anyway, so that's kind of like a radio slash computer, I guess you can say. So here you can turn your parking sensors off in the back in case you need to get close to something and you don't want to hear it beeping at you. That turns on your AC adapter, which is in the back seat. There's your four-way flashers. This is your electronic stability control. You can turn that off if you want to. There's your climate control settings, which are pretty much, you know, self-explanatory. Most people know about those. There's your heated seat buttons for the passenger and driver. You also have a power supply here and here, a little pocket there, pocket there. There's your shifter. There's some cup holders, little pocket right there. And here's your armrest, and this armrest opens up and you have some storage in here. There's like a little net pocket there, and you got some storage there along with some coin places. And here is the glove compartment. Pretty good size, goes all the way back there. You've got a auto dim rear view mirror, got some garage door controls here, tap lights, place to put your sunglasses here. And now it does have the sunroof, so I can go ahead and open up the shade like that, and I can vent it like so and close it, or I can make it go back. So pretty cool, and it's all done with this button right here. So, and if I don't want to use it, I just close it up and it's like it's not even there. And the visors have mirrors and lights on them. Same exact thing on that side. Alrighty, there's probably a lot of stuff I forgot to go over or missed or whatever, but it's a pretty interesting vehicle. It looks really sharp, has comfortable leather seats. So if it's something you're interested in, let me know. My phone number and email address is in the description. And there's another view of the back. Alrighty, I'll see you next time.